Today, you're going to discover how you can transform your business into the obvious choice in your market. Imagine dominating your industry like giants such as Canva, Atlassian, and Calendly. That's what we're aiming for, and I'm here to show you how to do it. But first, why does this even matter? The truth is that every market becomes commoditized. Just give it enough time, and you'll see it happen again and again. In the vast sea of over 100 companies in each category within the SaaS market, becoming a standout is a humongous challenge, and many founders find themselves treading water, managing an overwhelming amount of customer demands with minimal profits. And if this sounds like you, then action isn't just necessary, it's imperative to really go through this. But there's good news. My name is Wes Bush. With 9 years of specialized experience in helping companies with product-led growth and helping over 324 plus SaaS companies generate $1 billion in self-serve revenue, I'm here to shift your strategy from struggling to streamlined. And my journey here includes advising Fortune 500 companies and mastering the intricacies of market dynamics and seeing firsthand what separates the contenders from the leaders in their market. And along the way, I've learned that it isn't just about hard work. It's about smart, strategic moves that propel you to the top. This is not for everyone. And it's definitely not for people who are not willing to do the work. This is specifically for founders who are looking to scale up fast and efficiently. And this is also if you're in the C-suite, or you're looking to hit your targets, or you're a change maker, you're trying to transform your company, this is for you. Download this worksheet where you can get access to everything for the activities we're going to go through in this masterclass. And by the end of our time together, you will have a ton more clarity on how you can actually become the obvious choice in your market and build and scale a successful product-led business. So I'll see you in the next video.